Here we are on the rounding roadway again. This time we're rounding a 3-digit number to the nearest 10. As we counted in class, tens are 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, but 100 is still a 10 because it's 10 tens. 110 is actually 11 tens. So you have 120, 130, 140, and they go like that. So on the rounding roadway, if you are at mile 114, you need to round to the nearest 10. So on our number line, or our road, that would be between 110 and 120. So when we look at this, we can think of 114 as having 11 tens, if that helps you. And that could go right there. And our next one after 110 is 120. So you have to think about where the car is. It's here, it's not to the halfway mark, so then it would just round back down to 110. Because 114 is between 110 and 120, it would round down to 110. Let's try another number. Here we have a 347. So if 347 is right here, it's going to be between which two tens? 340 and 350. So you can look at this number as 34 tens, or you can look at it as the 4 tens right here, so 40, and then the next one up is 50. So here are the tens that it's in between. So then you have to think, what is my halfway? My halfway number is 345. Well, my number is right here. It's in this section right over here. Whoops. So that means we must keep on going, and we're going to go up to the next number. Let's try a few more. 743. It's between what two tens? Here's our 10. So it's between 740 and 750. Which is going to be the right answer? 743 is going to be closer to 740. So that is the right answer. 167. So I can look at this as either 16 tens or 60. So it's 160. My next one up is 170. So now I'm going to think, where's my halfway? It'd be 165. This is past my halfway. I might as well just keep on going. So 170 would be my answer. 465. Here we can either look at it as 46 or 460. My next 10 would be 470. 465 is halfway in between these two numbers. So if I think back, if it's halfway, you might as well just keep on driving. So 465 rounded to the nearest 10 is 470.